Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and fine in your home. Today, we are going to learn some more interesting things in maths. Are you all ready? Welcome to maths class, kids. So, already we started our lesson, right? The name of this unit is geometry, right? So, what we are going to learn today is inside and outside. Inside and outside. See here, papaya has its seed inside. See the seeds of papaya, it's inside the fruit, right? So inside, okay, inside, ulla. Next, cashew has its nut outside. Outside, okay, outside means velila. See the seed of papaya is inside the fruit, but cashew has its nut outside. Okay, inside means ulla, outside means velila. Okay, so shall we all do a small practice exercise? Okay, look at the picture. See a dog, two dogs are there. One is inside the kennel. Do you know what is kennel? See, the house of the dog is called kennel. Okay, so two dogs are there. One is inside the kennel and one is standing outside the kennel. And next one, see here, two sparrows are there. One is inside the nest. What is called nest? The house of birds are called nest. Okay, see here, beautiful nest. Okay, see, one sparrow is inside the nest and another one is outside the nest. Okay, see, what we are going to do is tick the dog inside the kennel. Okay, we are going to tick the dog which is inside the kennel. Okay, what is inside? Kennel in the house. Inside ulla. See, this dog is inside the kennel, so I'm ticking here. Okay, very good. Next one, circle the sparrow outside the nest. Outside. See, this sparrow is outside the nest, so I circled it. Okay, so if you have your book, you can do this. Okay, and then try this. Where will you play these games? Why? See, we have two different kinds of games. Okay, some games you can play outside only, but some games you can play inside. Okay, see, indoor games and outdoor games. Okay, வீட்டுக்குள்ள விளையாடுற விளையாட்டுகள்னு சில இருக்கு, வெளியில விளையாடுற விளையாட்டுன்னு இருக்கு. Okay, so we are going to find out them. Okay, see here, what game is it? Football. Can you play football inside your home? What will happen if you play football inside your home? You will break everything, right? So it is not good to play football inside your house. Where they will play football? Outside the place, right? Outside our home or whatever it may be, outside the building in a very big stadium they'll play football. No, you need lot of space to run around the ground. So football is an outdoor game. See, what is this? It is a carom board, right? Where you can play carom? It is an indoor game. Inside your home or inside the school, inside a room, you can play carom. So carom is an indoor game, football is an outdoor game. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. See, you all know the story, right? What story is this? Monkey and the capsule. I hope you all know the story very well. Okay, see, from the story what you're going to learn is on and then under. Okay, let's all move into the story. Okay, on means மேல and then under means கீழ. Okay, are you all ready for the story? See, once there was a cap seller. See this man, he is having lots of cap in his basket and he made sold few caps and he was very tired. So what he did, he decided to take rest under a tree. Okay, so அவரோட கேப் இருக்கிற அந்த பேஸ்கெட்டை கீழே வச்சுட்டாரு and he started sleeping. There were so many monkeys in the tree, so they started talking to themselves. See, அங்கே நிறைய கேப்ஸ் இருக்கு. Wow, colorful caps, we can take them. So all of them came down and what they did, they took all the caps. Now look, all the monkeys are wearing caps and they started climbing the tree again. When the cap seller woke up, what happened? He was shocked to see his big basket empty. What happened? Where are the caps? See, where are the caps? You all know that, right? The caps are with monkeys, right? He saw the monkeys wearing the caps and he is asking the monkeys to give his caps. They didn't give. Okay, now tell me, kids, where are the monkeys? The monkeys are on the tree. Where is the cap seller? The cap seller is under the tree. Okay, so he is asking a cap. Okay, so they are laughing at him. Oh, we won't give, naanga kudukka maatom. Likewise they started. Okay, and then the cap seller got an idea. Okay, he got an idea, so he threw his own cap in the air. And see, the monkeys did the same. They also copied the cap seller. So then he threw his cap on the ground. The monkeys also threw them. The caps are on the ground. And then what he did? See how quickly he collected all the caps. And then he went away happily. So in this story, did you like the story? Yes, in the story, where are the monkeys? The monkeys are on the tree. The cap seller was under the tree. Okay. See, you like the story, right? This is in your book. Okay, this was the story of a cap seller and the monkeys. Okay, so now I hope you have understand what is on and under. Yes, right? Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Okay, are you all ready, kids? See, the rabbit and his friends are coming to a ground. Okay, so what they are going to learn, அதை நம்ம பார்க்கலாமா? அந்த ரேபிட்டும் அண்ட் தென் அதோட மற்ற ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் என்ன கற்றுக்குறாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்க்கலாமா? ஸோ கேன் யூ ஏபிள் டு see what is it? It is a slide, right? ஸோ இதில் என்ன கற்றுக்குறாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? ஓகே, see, that is a top, and then look at that, that is the top of the slide. Can you able to see top of the slide? And then bottom of the slide. Top, bottom. நீங்கள் மேலே ஏறினீங்கன்னா where you will come? டாப்பில் ஏறினா you will come to slide down and you will come to the bottom. Okay, you all know this very well, right? Top, bottom. T-O-P, top. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Top, bottom. And then the next one is the rabbit is going to show another one thing. See the papaya. Now only we learnt, right? Where are the seeds of the papaya? The seeds of papaya are inside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Now see this cashew. Where is the nut? It is outside. It is outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Outside the cashew fruit, outside. Okay, next one, they came to play seesaw. You all like seesaw, right? Yes. So now let us see what is going to happen. So one rabbit is sitting on the one side and the other one is sitting on the other side. Okay, what will happen? Up and down. It will go up and down, right? மேலே கீழே போகும். Up and down. Up and down. UP, up, upna மேலே, downna கீழே. Okay, up, down. And then see the tree. See the tree. It is very huge, right? So now the rabbit is going to tell them some interesting thing, that is the bird flying above the tree. A-B-O-V-E, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. And see the butterfly, it is flying below. B-E-L-O-W, below the tree. And next one, see the sparrow. It is sitting. Where it is sitting? It is sitting on the top of the tree. On, O-N, on the top of the tree. And then see the monkey. It is sitting under, U-N-D-E-R, under the tree. And then see, you know the story very well, right? Tortoise and the rabbit. Now where is the rabbit? The rabbit is far from the line, far. And the tortoise is near to the line, near, N-E-A-R, near. Near, near. Far, far. Near, far. Near, far. Near, far. And next one is, see what animal it is. It is an elephant and a squirrel. The elephant is big and the squirrel is small. Big, small. Big, small. See, it was interesting, right? I hope it was very interesting. Now let us do a practice exercise. Okay, are you all ready? You are going to answer me. Are you all ready? Okay, first one is circle the toy seen under the table. See what is under? Now only we saw, right? Under, on, right? So look at the table. A helicopter toy is on the table and a plane is under the table. Which toy is under the table? The plane is under the table. So I circled it. Next one, circle the ball lying on the bed. Bed மேல இருக்கிறது எது? எந்த ball? This colorful ball is lying on the bed. Okay. So I circle that ball. Okay. Next one is, see, you're going to do this. Okay, what you're going to do means this is your homework. Okay, you have to draw a train. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி train வரைய முடியுதோ அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க train வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க. And then you have to draw a boat. Okay, like this you have to draw. I hope you all will draw very well, right? I'm right only, right? So what you have to do is you have to draw a train, and then you have to draw a boat like this, and then in between you have to draw a bridge like this. Okay, it is very easy for you. You all are very brilliant kids now. So you have to draw a train as well as a boat, and then what you have to do, you have to color the train moving on the bridge with brown color. You have to color the train which is moving on the bridge with brown color. Okay, on with brown color, and then the boat moving under the bridge with red color. Okay, on, under. Okay, you have to know the difference now. So you have to draw it and color it, and then you have to send it to miss. Okay, next your homework is, what you have to do is you have to write the numbers from 10 to 20. It is very easy, no? What you have to do, you have to write the numbers from 10 to 20, and then you have to draw that picture for on and under which miss shown you. Okay, so I hope you all will do the homework and send it back to me. Thank you, kids.